Welcome to the Huawei watch. Style meets functionality in the Huawei Smartwatch. With the water and dust resistant design, stainless steel dial, and genuine leather band, you can keep track of step count, heart rate, and sleep patterns can be tracked throughout your day, both in the gym or at the office. Download the Android Wear app on your Android or iOS device. To pair your watch for notifications such as incoming calls, calendar reminders, alarms, and text messages. To guarantee notifications are accurately synced and GPS is functioning, enable Bluetooth on your iOS or Android device. Turn the watch on or off by holding down the crown of the watch. Navigate through the various menus and built-in apps by swiping and pressing on the full touchscreen display. On the back of the watch, you will find its built-in microphone and speaker, the magnetic charging port, and the heart rate sensor. A snug fit just above the wrist bone ensures that motion data and heart rate is captured accurately. The adjustable band is offered in various materials and finishes. To switch your band, press in on the pen where the band and dial meet. The band will easily release. The magnetic charger slides over the back of the watch and can be used with the charging block enclosed or plugged into your computer for a full charge in 75 minutes.
Before we started designing the smartwatch, we asked ourselves one important question. Everybody has his own ideal watch, a watch he truly desires. But what smartwatch does the consumer really want? It is their ideas that inspired us to create this piece.
Many of the classic watches are round-shaped. That's why we've chosen a classic round-shaped case. Meanwhile, we've maintained the characteristic of a watch lug, the watch bezel, and the crown. We have specially designed a number of watch faces for customers to choose from. The diameter of the watch surface is 42 millimeters. It is the most compact design in round-shaped watches. We have also designed straps that fit women's wrists. We have plenty of choices in the materials and designs of the straps, no matter whether you prefer a stainless steel strap or a leather one. All the straps are interchangeable. We are fully aware of the desires of our consumers. They appreciate true craftsmanship, as in the making of luxury watches. We've chosen sapphire glass as the watch surface, the same material as in other luxury watches. The smooth, stainless steel unibody is meticulously made by a multiple of procedures, with masterful polishing, which gives it an even richer feel. A smartwatch, of course, needs to be smart within. We've positioned the crown at 2 o'clock. Just press it lightly, and the classic watch face emerges. And remarkably, we've brought the amazing functions of Google Now to your wrist. And of course, it is equipped with state-of-the-art activity tracking functionalities, providing a simpler way to monitor your health.
I believe we have made a true watch, a watch that offers the latest technology with classic watch styling.